A disaster can strike at any moment, and when your system goes down, your business is on the line. The clock is ticking, and every second counts. During the crisis, end users and customers expect immediate access to their data. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly recover files on your Synology NAS and keep your business running smoothly. Let's go to my screen and get started. From the Ahsay OBM home screen, click Restore. Select the backup set. Before selecting the destination, click Show Advanced option. Check the temporary directory and configure if needed. Then select the destination where you want to restore your data from. For the first scenario, let's say you'd like to restore deleted or missing files and/or folders to their original location on the Synology NAS device. Before we proceed with the restore job, let us show you the actual deletion of the files and folder we're about to recover to better see how the restoration process works. Going back to Ahsay OBM, select the backup version. Tick the checkbox for Show Files so files will appear. Collapse the directory, then select the files and/or folders you aim to restore. Click Next. As you intend to restore to the original Synology NAS device, keep the default selection and click Show Advanced option. Configure the settings as desired. For our example, we will use the default settings. Then click Restore to continue. As you can see, the total number of files restored is 5, which matches the number of files selected, including files from the folder restored. To confirm, go to the directory where the files were restored to. We can now confirm that the files and folders selected were successfully restored to the original location. Moving on, I'll show you how to restore your files and/or folders to an alternate location. Keep the selection to the latest version. Select the root folder to automatically select all your data. Then, click Next. Click Alternate Location, then Browse. Select the folder, then click OK. Configure the settings as desired. For our example, we will use the default settings, then click Restore. After the restore job, go to the selected alternate location to confirm if the selected data has been successfully restored. Open the subfolders. We can now confirm that the selected folder earlier has been successfully restored to the alternate location. And that's how you recover your files using Ahsay OBM on a Synology NAS. It's very quick and easy. Don't risk losing your data and disrupting your business. Start backing up your Synology NAS today with Ahsay to protect your critical data from all types of data loss, including data corruption, human error, malicious employees, ransomware, and hackers. With our backup solution, your business can quickly recover and get back on track in no time regardless of the disaster. That's why you should choose Ahsay. Your data is safe with us.